Hey guys, it's your friend Adrian once again. Another powerful video. I must say on disclaimer, you can lose a lot of money in the Forex market. So trade what you can afford. Okay, guys, in this video, I'm gonna go over. I'm learning a new strategy for swing trading, guys. I haven't tested it yet, but I will test it because it's getting close to what I believe what's going to happen. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how I swing trade, guys. I start with the monthly that you can see, the monthly chart right here. Then I go to the weekly chart that you can see. And then I go to the daily chart and then the 4 hour chart, guys. I enter my trade maybe with the 1 hour chart right here or the 15-minute chart. All right. So that's how I enter. But my overall viewpoint is the monthly chart. So let's go over my strategy with the swing trade. All right, let me downsize this a little bit. Well, I only got downsize it because it's about it right here. All right, that you can see this support line right here. It hit it so many times. So it's definitely want to come back and even pass it with this long stem and this long stem. So we got a red candle with the monthly chart pointing down. Okay. Uh, Now I'm just waiting because the white candle break this, it might want to go to right here. So you want to wait on your trade, but you'll know from the lower time frames, guys. So then I go to the weekly chart. Okay, you see that the white candle right here in position, but it's is over the 50, but not over the 200. So it might want to retest right here. It's a support line right here. I mean the resistance line right here, and then bring it back down to the. It probably want to test this right here, and then bring it down to the support line right here. So I get in the trade somewhere right here. And the reason why I get in the trade right here, because how many times it didn't break this resistance line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it might be 6 right here, guys. And you go further right here. So we don't even talk about that, but just on the uptrend type in. So we gonna it break my resistance line right here. And this video for me too because I want to keep a diary of the trades I'm about to start on my swing trading, guys. So it's like a diary for me also. So I can go back and view this video when I'm about to take this trade. Okay, so we did it daily, right? All right. So you gotta come up here for yeah. I mean, it can, but overall, I think it's a downtrend. I mean, if it pop this right here, I mean, you can make some money real quick though if you can plan this right. Like for example, my belief, if I'm gonna take this buy, I see it hitting it too close. You know what I mean? Maybe right here if you want to take a buy like this, but I have to look at it and really look at it again, because I know overall is a downtrend just from my weekly charts like that. But it gonna move up, so you can get a lot of pips right here. So it gotta make me be a believer by. Let me go to the 4 hour chart real quick, guys, because I kind of enter my trade in the 4 hour chart. Um, so it can hit this right here. You see, it can hit it. But the problem right now with the 4 hour chart, and this is where I kind of enter my trade. This is a 50 moving average right here, the white line, or 55 moving average. I like 55. I like doing 50 because everybody do 50. All right, and this is the 200 moving average. This 55, and I'll go before that, but I'm just saying because they slow this a slow moving average. All these indicators slow. I'll get in before that, but this 50 got it somewhat kind of cross over the 200. You know what I mean? So I know it's going up, or it can just break it back down the true um where the trend is. It's a downtrend, guys. And let me show you that again, on a monthly chart. See that green? That's 200 moving average right there. It's down. Um, if you want to go just underneath the green, the 200 moving average, go underneath a little bit right here, right here. It just kept on going down, down, down. So I believe this red candle right here on this monthly resistance line right here, it gonna touch this right here, guys. And that's like, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot of pips right there. So I want to be patient, but I just want to get in the trade at the right time. And I believe it's like the right time now, to be honest with you. So I might enter a sale and let it run for like a month, guys, or to the end of this month. And I guarantee you that this red gonna go way down to somewhere right here, guys. And that's like 500 pips. It's a patient game if you're a swing trader. Now, I understand that day trading is fun, with the 5 minute charts, the 15-minute charts, like, right here. But it's a lot of noise, man. You have to be cold. I mean, you got to be placing what I'm saying, your resistance line right here. You know, get out right here type in. So if you want to avoid all this noise, guys, I go to the monthly chart, the overall big picture. But if you want to play the game for a minute, I understand because I play the game sometimes. But you want to the realistic stuff. You want to, hold your trade for a second. Just bet small. You feel me? Bet like 10 cents a pip and see if your strategy works like that on a swing trade. Less commissions and less stress, guys. You got the trade in. I might put this trade in as soon as I see if it can go right back down. Maybe Monday or something. But yeah, I'm watching the monthly and the weekly for sure. Once I see the red candle pop back down like that, and I'm watching the daily for sure. And then I enter my trade in the 4 hour time frame, guys, right here. Once I see it didn't break this high right here, and then I know it's ready to go back down, guys, all the way down. All right, guys, quick little video. This is my diary. My name is A. Some people call me A Boogie. A to the B. You know what I'm saying? So you can spell the rest. You know what I mean? So peace and love from your friend Adrian. Oh, one more thing before I leave the video. This is also the ATR right here, guys. And this is very important to understand. It's like whatever time frame you are on, like I'm on a 4 hour right now, it tell you how many pips average every 4 hours it go down. So this go down 56 pips. So you always want to put your stop loss. Let's say, for example, this the low right here. You want to count 56 pips down, and that'll be your stop loss, maybe even double or 1.5, guys. Just be on the safe side. And your target, see your stop loss probably right here, right? But then your target be, up here if you got a buy or something like that. You know what I mean? So you got like 1.5 or even 200% higher, or yeah, like 100, 150% higher or 200% higher than your stop loss, guys. And this swing trading, guys. You know, you risking maybe 100. If you want 50-50, you'll make 100. But if you're going, um, 100 down, stop loss hypothetically, because on the daily, let me show you on the daily real quick. On the daily, it's 140 pips, guys. So you gotta put your stop loss. You gotta get in like right here. You know what I mean? Like right here and put 140 pip loss in case, like right here, I ain't right here, it's like maybe up here, right? Like that. No, I ain't at that much. Let me see. It's like right, yeah, it's like something right here. But you going for up here. You feel me? So that's like a nice win ratio right there. You know, from right here to right here, and then your stop loss might be like right here or something like that, something real like that. Yes, yeah, real small. It's a daily chart right here, so it'd be like 140 pips, but you shooting for that 30, like maybe 500 pips, guys. You know what I mean? So that's a big win ratio right there. Something like that, I would definitely trail my stop loss. You know, by moving my stop loss up, up, and up on the lower time frame, on the highs and lows and stuff like that. So that's how I do that. But I believe it can go up to right here, guys. Be honest with you, I don't know. I'm just watching it a little bit on the lower time frames. So I'll get in the trade to ride up to the highest. And I believe the highest is going to be if I believe it's gonna go up, let me show you. The highest right here. If it's gonna go up, then it's gonna drop down. Yeah, that's my highest. And I probably won't go that far. I'll go right here. Yeah, like 130.91. So that's still like 110 pips, guys. So I might get in this trade to right here and get 110 pips. You know, I'm just looking at it though, because Friday tomorrow. All right, guys, I've been rambling long enough about say the forex market. I'm not trying to recruit no one, and trying to sell nobody nothing. All I'm doing is showing you some of my strategies for the swing trade, and only thing I request you do, like my video, dislike my video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all why I'm doing these videos, and I'll do more videos, because I'm always learning and reading books. I got this book right now I'm reading. It's called The Turtles. You know what I mean? By Dennis. So that book is tight. So I'm basically a turtle now with Dennis that made $200 million with the market guy. So all right, subscribe to my channel and peace and love from your friend Adrian. Holla.